Hi! In front of me is iPad Pro 11-inch 4th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on General. Following that, choose Keyboard over here and click on this green switcher next to autocorrection. As you can see, after that, automatic text correction is off. But you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same, now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!